In this video, I am going to tell about the relation between blue light and sleeplessness. We use different gadgets in our daily life. We watch television, we use computers, we use laptop, and most importantly, we use mobile phones. So, do you use mobile phones at night or even late night? You may be using social media like Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, etc., or playing games like PUBG, COD, etc. So, do you use mobile phones late night? And think about yourself. After using mobile phones for a long time at night, do you fall asleep easily? Or when you go to bed, how much time it takes for you to sleep? So friends, there is a relation between using mobile phones at night and the quantity and quality of sleep that you are getting. So the difficulty in getting sleep is connected with the blue light that is emitted from the mobile phone screens. So what is blue light? Blue light is a color in the visible light spectrum. Blue light is of short wavelength, so it is high in energy. And the main source of blue light is sun. But now because of the digital screens like laptops, computers, mobile phones, etc., we have brought it inside. The blue light is connected with the melatonin hormone production from our pineal glands. Melatonin is a hormone in our human body that regulates the sleep cycle or circadian rhythm. Sleep cycle means that at a particular time we fall asleep and in the morning at a particular time we wake up automatically, and this is like a cycle that it just continues if we are punctual in our sleeping. So the melatonin production in our human body is like that. Obviously in daytime we are exposed to sunlight and melatonin production will be less, and we will be alert and will be with full of energy. And as it gets evening, the blue light from the sunlight gets decreased and the melatonin production occur, and because of this we feel tiredness and we want to sleep. So when we look at the cell phones at night for a long time, our brain is tricked that it is daytime and melatonin production does not occur or it decreases significantly. So it is the blue light from the screens that is sensed by the proteins behind the eyes to think that it is daytime and melatonin production will not occur. So when the melatonin production is decreased, it will affect our sleep cycle and we will spend more time in the bed to fall asleep, and alertness during sleeping also increase significantly. Apart from the sleeping problems, melatonin suppression may also lead to obesity, cancer, depression, diabetes, etc. So is there a solution to this problem? Surely if we are able to get rid of the blue light from the mobile phone screens at night, our sleep cycle will become normal. In market, there are many blue light filtering glasses that claim to block the blue light from the screens and protect our eye. There are also different applications that are free to download in our mobile phones that reduce blue light by switching into different reading modes. But still, the result varies from people to people. Some may find it useful, but some may not. And the best thing to do is to just avoid cell phones 2 or 3 hours before going to bed. Reading books at night may also be a good solution to tackle this problem. So let us maximum avoid using cell phones at night or even late night. And we all need a very good sleep, and we should wake up in the next morning with full of energy.